Alright guys, you want to know how to update your vehicle navigation with the updated version that's out there, because my version is probably like a 2016, it's a 2015 car with Toyota Highlander, and the thing is that it doesn't pick up a lot of the stores, the point of interest, or anything on there. So I went ahead and looked around on the web, came across this site for Toyota. If you go to toyota.com, put in /firmware updates. When you do toyota.com, it doesn't really take you to this page. You have to actually kind of look for it. So from here on your Toyota, you'll go ahead and enter your VIN number, or you select your model. My model here is a Highlander HV, which is a hybrid. It is a 2015. Then you pick your car as well. Again, this is all Toyota that you will need to put in. And then the multimedia unit type, you want to select that if you have navigation. If you do, then you select it. If you don't, select no navigation. If you don't have navigation in your car and you select with navigation, your system won't accept the update. So you have to make sure you have it or you don't have it. So I have it, so I'm going to hit continue. Now it says go ahead and obtain a USB flash drive with at least 2 gigs. And then here's get the update latest for your multimedia unit. So that's my car. My car is normally white. So now I just hit and get updates. Now it's basically telling me to view and print a PDF, computer to download. There are instructions. And then ensure the USB is installed in the computer. So here is a media. I'm running macOS Big Sur on an M1 chip with USB-C. So we're just going to pop this in here. Well, if you see one of these in our Highlanders, we're in the Highlander group on Facebook. I'll put the link down below. Hope to see you guys soon and join in. So what is going to happen is that it's not going to pop up on my image here. So what I'm going to have to do is type in disk utility, and you're going to, here it is right here. I normally select up here where it says view and then select show all devices, which is already checkmarked. So once I highlight the drive, you want to go ahead and erase it, and then we'll just call this whatever, we'll just say LAW. You do need to change the format to MS-DOS FAT. That's how it's going to read it, and the partition scheme is master boot record. So if it's on a Windows computer, just format it as an MS-DOS FAT, 16 or 32, doesn't really matter. If you have it as NTFS, it will not work either. So it has to be MS-DOS. So right now, we're just going to hit erase. This flash drive here is 64 gigabytes. So, all right, so now it's formatted. Now you see it's up here, it says LAW. So what you want to do here is you go back to model type of the operating system that should be in my car. It's available for multimedia update. And then this, and then here's the installation instructions, but you can just hit download. This update was released in 2017, so it's not really much new. It's not 2021 or 2022, but they got, so we're going to go ahead and download this. Now it should download file as a KWI file. It's right now it's downloading 160 gigabytes. I downloaded the file. So the file is now in my downloads. It's right here, the KWI file. You just basically drag and drop it to the flash drive. There it goes, it's in there. So now as you can see, it's a KWI file. Well, if you see one of these in our Highlanders, we're in the Highlander group on Facebook. I'll put the link down below. Hope to see you guys soon and join in. In my car, you got to turn it on. Once the car is on, you get this always that message. Grab your flash drive, pop it right down here, or where your flash drive needs to be put in. There we go, it's inserted. Now from here, you're going to need to go ahead and select on your apps. Let's turn on the air. You want to select on setup, general, and then you want to scroll down here and scroll down until you see software update. So you touch that. Now you want to update again, and then right now it says what you have current is the 1D4, and then there's that model number you saw that was on the computer screen, the 13DTA whatever. and then from here you can't really do anything because it's already been updated by the dealer.